swap guitar. Time to start building the giveaway guitar for Scott. I'm going to use this box, this punch box, and we're going to do a 23-inch scale. Do something kind of similar to what I got from Shane. Feeling a little bit inspired by that guitar. I want to do a simple build. See how it comes out. First of all, I always put tape on so I'm not marking directly on the box, just in case I gotta change something. Plus, when you're cutting things out, it actually helps keep the wood from splitting and breaking away. On one side, flip it over, and mark it on the other. Got our center line for the box. Run one down the middle too, just in case we decide to throw anything on the box. If you start building, I highly recommend the CB Giddy centering tool. Thing's great. Great for finding center on anything. All right, so got her notched out. Cut the neck down to size. It's going to be a neck through. Yeah, I'm going to slide through until I trim her down. About like that. Went ahead and marked it all the way out. Nut. Put scale markers on there, but I'm probably just going to end up making a fretboard for it after all. I took here, marked out. I'm going to go 1/8 here, 1/4 down here. Going to take this down 1/8 just for the lid, and yeah, 1/8 all the way back. Yeah. Take her to the table saw. So what I did, I took some of these inserts that come in some of these boxes, cut them down to fit inside, and adding some bracing to the ends, but instead of putting spacers on the bottom and screwing up to the bottom, I'm going to glue these onto the neck, like so, but only onto the neck. And then I'm going to put screws on the ends. Try that out. Just holding these in. That way, if you ever needed to, you could still remove the neck. I don't know, just an idea. Try it out. It's all an experiment, right? So I'm feeling a little under the weather, so I'm gonna do this one inside today. So this is the guitar that I built for Scott for the giveaway from last month. Poplar neck, super simple, fretless, slide guitar, punch box, little sync strainer there, and just some all thread at the nut and the bridge. Simple neck through, string through the tail there, and check it out. Now I did put just a straight piezo in here, just in case he wanted to plug it in. And I'm just plugging into the little Joyo guy that I got a while back just for fun.